these are actually we are JICE. We are in IQS. IQS stands for Industrial Quality Solutions. So whatever you are manufacturing, after doing the manufacturing, you have to verify the quality, right? It could be dimensional measurement, it could be visual inspection. It may be possible that NDT, non-destructive testing. Means nowadays, just take example of PCB. Earlier, those days, single layer PCBs are coming. Nowadays, multi-layer PCBs are coming. So, if you want to verify the tracks which are available inside, then only one possibility, you have to cut it and you have to verify. The moment you will cut it, it is of no use. And then after that, you cannot verify what exactly problem is. So we have NDT solutions also. We are making X-ray machines. There you can put the, like how you are scanning X-rays for human body. The same